Hello everyone, François Mackay here with Groupe Mackay Prestige. With great honor that I'm inviting you to our special presentation Friday, April 4th at 3 p.m. So it's going to be on Zoom and it's confidential as well. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you're in any other company, Remax, Keller Williams, whatever company, it's completely private, but we'll show you how you guys can make more money, way more money than what you're doing right now. Why? Because we have access to clients. And we know the name of this game is to have access to clientele. So we generate as many buyers and sellers as we want because we got some really cutting edge marketing strategies and marketing system that allows us to generate as many leads as we want. So if you want to see how this works and how you can change your career right now in Portugal, wherever you are, Porto, Lisbon, Albufeira, and all the Algarve, anywhere, we'll show you exactly what we do to generate all these leads and how you can become part of this great adventure with us and have a lot of success and really change the course of your life this year in 2025. So be there. It's free, no obligation, confidential, Friday, April 4th at 3 p.m.